Hey everyone, this is Sabrina and I am back with another Positivity Passport video, the last process video. So I will be doing the 24th through the 31st in this video. So for this page, on the left hand side, I decided to go with all yellow, and then the right hand side will be all of the bright orange color. I tried stamping on the notebook, but because it was getting so chunky, it was not working. So I went ahead and just used some paper. The prompts I picked were our fave local spot, which I talked about, how with the library open again, we're able to have Tuesdays be our library day again, which is very exciting. And then loved this episode. I just talked about a ridiculous radio show that I was watching that was very amusing about helping people get a second date. Very funny. I also stamped several yellow hearts, and I used one of the kind of white stickers on the left-hand side. For the photo of my daughter and I put the sticker, "This was the absolute best." My daughter loves to have afternoon snuggles when she comes home from school, and I just treasure that. I made a little border of arrows and hearts to add in some more of that bright orange color. And then on a piece of paper, I'm going to stamp "Life Here and Now" and put that at the bottom right corner. For the left-hand side, down at the bottom left, I am going to stamp highlights from today, and I'll stamp that twice. I also fussy cut out an arrow and put it above the sticker on the right-hand side. That way it kind of gave more emphasis to pointing to the picture. And for the prompts on the right side, I just put "Thankful for this," because I just love the afternoon snuggles and talking about my daughter's day. I'll be sad when we don't do that anymore. So when I am trying to think of a word for "I feel," I always gravitate towards the same words. So I think next time I do this project, I am going to definitely look up an adjectives list to help me come up with more feeling type words. I think that would be a useful resource. Once again, using the days of the week stamp set, Thursday for the left side, and then the right side is just going to be a book that I really, really enjoyed, and I put down the sticker "New Favorite" and then focus on the good on the left side. Just that way I could establish the color scheme, which is going to be blue and green. And once again, trying to stamp the photos onto the notebook. But it didn't quite work. Some of them worked, but some of them didn't. The "currently feeling" got a little smushed. So I put "currently feeling," "currently making," and "this makes me smile." And then for the right-hand side, I, of course, used "couldn't put this down," because that book was just so good. It was just when I needed like a feel-good teen romance. Plus, it takes place in Rhode Island, and it's kind of based off of the town Newport. So it was just a really atmospheric kind of book with lots of good romance in it. So I really enjoyed it. Also going to add in some sparkles. That way the right side has a little bit more of the blue and green color, and then add in an arrow on the Thursday. I also decided to add in the book at the bottom of the cluster for Chasing Lucky, and I'm not sure if I like how it came out. I feel like I was kind of maybe going a little too crazy with the stamping of the books and the sparkles, but that's okay. I had fun making it, and that's what matters, right? So for currently making, I got 2 Project Life spreads done, made me smile. We all worked together to clean out the storage closet, and then my daughter and I squeezed into it, and it was quite hilarious trying to fit into a closet with my daughter. But we made it work somehow. And then I wrote down, as always, that I am thankful for having books in my life, because I really am, ever since I was a little girl. Okay, so Saturday, we had to escape. There was so much smoke, and so we just decided to get out of town and just drive. And again, I had a subscriber point out, why did I put the journaling up at the top? And you guys, I'm not so sure why. I did it again on this page, because typically you put the journaling at the bottom. That seems more cohesive. But for some reason, I didn't. I just put it at the top. I guess I'm just trying to go rogue, I guess. But I stamped weekend wandering because we just drove and drove until we found at least somewhat blue skies, and we played at a park, and it was so nice to see blue skies and not smoky skies. So I used weekend getaway and today's plan in the bottom left corner, and I'm gonna journal in just a little bit. And then Sunday, I just put highlights for today, and I will just do like a bullet point type of list for that day. And up at the top, I am writing that the soccer games got canceled, everything was canceled, and we just needed to get out of the house. And so that's what we did, and it worked out great. We even got to try a restaurant that my husband really liked when he worked down in the Bay Area. So that was really, really fun. On the right side, I just did official record up at the top, and I just talked about how we had a slow-moving day. We ran a few errands together as a family, and then I got a little me time, and then my favorite people did some Pokemon card opening, which is their favorite thing to do together. I just help organize all the cards into the different powers, I think. So I'm just the organizer. All right, last 2 pages. This one is my December daily albums. I am on the creative team, and my introduction was on this day, so I decided to include a black and white photo of my albums and stick with the greens and the yellows and the oranges. And then I will just do some clustering down at the bottom right, and then up at the top left, of course, I have the thankful sticker. I stamped "oh yeah" and "oh my gosh, you did it," because the right side is going to be 4,000 hours. I made 4,000 hours, and so now I'm in the process of trying to get my channel monetized. So thank you to everybody that has watched my videos and helped me get to this point. I am so excited, and I'm just so proud of myself that I stuck with this. It took me about 2.5 years to get 4,000 hours. So it is very, very exciting, and I'm very proud of myself and very thankful that, like I said, all of you continue to enjoy my videos. So once again, I used this stamp set, the alphabet stamp set, and I stamped out 4,000 hours. It's crooked. Don't really care, it'll be all right. And then at the bottom, I used a clear sticker that says "work in progress," and then I cut out the "oh yeah," and I'm gonna put that in the bottom right corner in just a minute. I'll have to move the smiley face that I just put down because I liked the "oh yeah" up a little higher. And I also cut out "oh my gosh, you did it," and put it in the bottom right for a little cluster. And then I'll add in some yellow arrows. So I am just going to add in those yellow arrows and make sure that it actually stamps properly. I did a lot of cleaning with my sand eraser because that really does seem to do the trick and help the stamps make the best impression that they can make. So up at the top, I used some prompts, and I put "excited about," "working on," and "hoping for," because I still have to go through the process of monetizing, but I'm very excited, and like I said, so proud of myself and thankful for you guys watching my videos. Bottom left corner is going to be loving, excited about, thankful for. So I'm so excited too for the creative team for December Daily. So excited. It'll be my 11th year documenting December Daily. So I'm very much looking forward to sharing my stories for December Daily, all my traditions, and just how I do things, because I really try not to make things very complicated, and I just try to get my stories told. So I just wrapped up the journaling for 4,000 hours, and now I am done with the Positivity Passport, and I hope you guys have enjoyed seeing all of these come together. I would love a thumbs up or a subscribe if you're new to my channel. Thanks so much. Have a great day. Bye.